So for example 7, we're going to calculate the mean for the following data. This is your ungrouped data. This is also your ungrouped data. This ungrouped data, you can see the difference is, this is arranged in order in table. You can see how many frequency. So when you want to calculate the mean, it will be total up of the data, divide the number of data. So you can use your calculator actually. So your calculator mode here, you can set to statistic. Find for statistic. You're taking one variable, means one type of data. Satu jenis data saja, one. So you can see X. X represent your data here. So you can key in your data 3, 5, 7, 4, 5, then 9, then 6. So after you key in your data, you can press for this AC. It will keep minimize this table. So if you want to find its for its summation, sum of X, so you can press here, shift for your statistic, or you press option. In new calculator, you press for option. So all your summation, number 3, all your summation you can get. If you want your summation of X, you take number 2, summation of X, 39. So for this question, the mean will be equal to summation of X, 39, over how many data here? Again, you can press for your option or shift statistic. You take for your number 4. So number 4 here, you can read out what's your mean, what's your number of data, what's your standard deviation. So what we need here is number of data, and so how many data here? You have 7, right? 7. So you have 7 data. Even your mean also you can find out. So take your number 4, your mean. So mean, number 2, 5.57. Alright, then if let's say our data with frequency, okay, so we repeat the process. We take the statistic mode. So variable just one data, but we need the frequency table here. So if you want your frequency table to come out, you go and shift setup, shift mode. And then you go down, find for statistic to on the frequency column. Then you key in our data. So our data is about the number of male children. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we go for the right hand side frequency column. Then we key in column, key in their frequency one by one. 2, 5, 7, 3, 2, and 1. So after you key in everything, this table you have to keep it in the memory. You just press your AC so that you can continue calculate your things. So to find out its mean, formula will be total of the data divided by the total of number data. So how to get your summation X? So you go back your option or your shift statistic here. Your option, go for summation. So this will be total up of your data. So it won't write a fx. Kita perlukan summation for fx, tapi sini dah calculator ni dah understood dia dengan frequency dia sekali dah. So I need this. So number 2, summation of the data. It gives us 41. Overall, how many data that we have? So we just go back to the procedure, find out what's your n that you have. You have 20 of data, correct or not? You see total frequency here, 20, yes. So lastly, you can double check your mean, number 2.